Hello, in this short lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question, how the universe was created, is that the universe is created in two stages. In the first stage, when there was nothing in the pre-universe, the basic elements were created. And in the second stage in the creation of the universe, that is also called the Big Bang stage, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. Now I will return to the first stage in the creation of the universe, and I will explain what is nothing. Nothing is actually defined as a quantum fluctuations. And the quantum fluctuations is actually a change in the amount of energy in a point in the space. And from that change or changes, a virtual particles can be created. And from that virtual particles, real particles can be created. And from that real particles, the basic elements were created. Okay, so that was the first stage in the creation of the universe. Okay, and in the second stage in the creation of the universe, actually all the matter in the pre-universe was concentrated in a small dense point. And the density of that point was infinite, and from that reason it exploded. And that explosion is also called the Big Bang. And from that Big Bang or explosion, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. So that was the two stages in the creation of the universe. Now, in relation to the second question, who created nothing, the answer is very simple. Nothing that is also defined as quantum fluctuations is never created because it always existed. Okay, so we can summarize the short lecture and say that the universe is created in two stages. In the first stage, when there was nothing that is also defined as a quantum fluctuations, the basic elements were created. And in the second stage, that is also called the Big Bang stage, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. Okay, so in relation to the question who created nothing, the answer is very simple. Nothing that is also defined as quantum fluctuations was never created because it always existed. Okay, thank you very much.